Want to make extra money without working too hard? You can. It's called getting paid to read emails. This is a real way to earn money online. Companies want your opinion. They will pay you to read their emails. You can do this from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. Many people are finding success with this. You can too. There are free guides available online. These guides will teach you everything you need to know. You'll learn how to find the best companies. You'll also learn how to maximize your earnings. It's easy to get started. First, set up a new email account. This will keep your personal and work emails separate. Then sign up for a few different platforms. These platforms connect you with companies. They handle the payments. You just focus on reading emails. You won't get rich doing this, but you can make some extra cash. Use it to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just have some fun money. It's a simple way to boost your income. Start earning today. Ready to start earning? Great! There are many platforms available. Here are a few of the best Swagbucks. This popular platform offers many ways to earn rewards. Reading emails is just one option. You can also take surveys, watch videos, and shop online. Inbox Dollars. This platform is similar to Swagbucks. You earn cash rewards for reading emails, taking surveys, and completing other tasks. Vindale Research. This platform focuses on market research. You'll get paid to read emails, take surveys, and participate in product testing. These are just a few examples. Do your research and find the best platforms for you. Each platform has its own payout methods. Some offer cash through PayPal. Others offer gift cards. The amount you earn varies. It depends on the length of the email and the company sending it. Setting up your side hustle is easy. First, choose a dedicated email address. This separates your paid emails from personal ones. Next, research and join reputable platforms like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. Look for platforms with positive reviews and multiple earning opportunities beyond just email reading. Once registered, explore the available tasks. Don't just focus on emails. Many platforms offer surveys, cashback for shopping, or even watching videos. Diversifying your tasks can increase your earning potential. Set aside specific times for your side hustle. Treat it like a part-time job. Consistency is key to maximizing earnings. Remember, it's not about getting rich quickly. It's about earning extra income consistently over time. Section 4. Avoiding scams and maximizing your earnings. Be cautious of platforms that seem too good to be true. Legitimate platforms will never ask you for money to join. Always research and read reviews before signing up. Look for platforms with transparent payment systems and clear terms of service. To maximize your earnings, be patient and consistent. Check your email regularly and complete tasks promptly. Refer your friends to platforms you trust to earn referral bonuses. Utilize tools like email filters to organize your inbox and prioritize paid emails. Remember, success takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see a huge income surge immediately. Stay consistent, avoid scams, and gradually build your earnings over time. Section 5. Building a sustainable income stream. While email reading can provide a nice income boost, it's wise to diversify your income streams. Explore other online earning opportunities like freelance writing, virtual assisting, or online tutoring. Combining multiple income streams creates greater financial stability. Remember, building a sustainable income takes time and effort. Focus on acquiring new skills and knowledge that can lead to higher-paying opportunities. Continuously learn and adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. By combining email reading with other income streams and focusing on long-term growth, you can create a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about building a life you love. Could you follow this channel for more ways to make money?